Dr. Ahmadnisha Abdurrahman Madam, correspondent of Yusuf Lega School of Nursing, our beloved Secretary Alhaj Mohammed Hassan, our grateful correspondent Madam Ms. Larifa A. Aziz, and the other members of All India Islamic Foundation. I also extend my welcome Mr. Arjunan, our campus administrative officer, Dr. Methu Marifa, Principal of Crescent College of Education, Dr. Pyari Bashira, Principal of Crescent Yusuf School of Nursing, Dr. Kanagaranga Medical Officer, Central Office members of our Crescent campus, the enthusiastic parents, and our energetic students. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to all of you for our 31st annual sports meet, Inception. With the grace of Almighty, our Madurai Crescent Matriculation Higher Secondary School for Girls was incepted in the year of 1994 for the classes 5th to 12th. Later on, in the year of 2021, a junior section for Blooming Buds was started. At this juncture, I thank the support of our Honorable Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri Thangam Thennarasu, and the able cooperation of Education Department of Madurai. Unless them, we can't bring our kids school here. And established kids school in the year of 2021. I am delighted to place on record that the inception of junior section has been responsible for the overall growth of our institution, as well as leap forward towards providing early education to the children of nearby locality. Our school has given high reputation for providing organized and quality education in a highly disciplined and holistic environment, especially among Muslim parents from India and abroad. They find our school most appropriate for providing education to their daughters. Academic achievements. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself, said by John Dewey. I am very happy to mention and record here our last year board exams for the academic year 23-24. Our school results stand as testimony of the hard work of both students and teachers. Continuously for past 6 years, our students of standard 12, 11 and 10 of our Madurai Crescent School have showcased a remarkable execution of hard work with laudable central results in the board exam. Last year, M. Jasmine of standard 12 was the topper. She secured 559 out of 600. A. Amina Anwara of standard 11 scored 572 out of 600. Yes, Ibran Nasrin of standard 10 backed first place and scored 488 out of 500. Our 12th standard students recorded 1 centum in computer application, 2 centums in commerce. Our 11th standard recorded 5 centums in Arabic. Our 10th standard recorded 1 centum in mathematics, 2 centums in science and 2 centums in social science. I congratulate the teachers who are all behind for this success. And 20 students scored of our 10th standard above 400 in the last 10 board exam. On 17/7/24, Prime Award for Teaching Excellence was awarded to our teachers, Ms. Hema Fiha for Commerce and Accountancy and Mrs. K. Pennachi for Economics, achieving central results in board exams. They work to their faith in Almighty, then He will suffice him. Evidence Quran 65:3. Every Friday we conduct Bayan classes for our students regularly and seminars for our alimas periodically. On 4/7/24, our school organized inter-school craft competition. Various schools in and around Madurai have got themselves enrolled. They actively participated in that and reciting verses of Quran. We distributed prizes and cash awards for the winners and the participation certificates for all the participants. Weekly twice we conduct Quranic and Diniyat classes for students. We are offering Diniyat courses as a part of our curriculum and around 40 of our students completed Muallama courses conducted by Unis Academy Chennai and they are yet to receive their certificates. Parent-teachers meet. We firmly believe that meaningful interaction between parents and teachers goes a long way in improving the efficacy of education. We ensure active participation of parents in the teaching-learning process. On the commencement of every term, parent-teachers meet has been arranged periodically. Keep the parents aware of their wards, progress and performance in academics, sports and games. Physical education is an integral part of the total education system. It helps the attainment and achievement of holistic development. On 16/9/24, our students, Samira of Standard 10, Nivasri of 10, Liba Nasrin of 10, Amira of 9, Jamil Mufliga of Standard 11 participated zonal level carom competition and won the winning trophy. Anshika P and Ritika S of Standard 6 won runner-up title in zonal level carom competition held on 16/9/24. On 23/10/24, around 30 athletic students from our school participated in Madurai Chhatrapati zonal level sports event. Our students Yasmin of 9 bagged first prize in discus throw and Salsabil and Jamil Muflika won the runner-up title in badminton. Co-curricular activities. On 22/6/24, World Rainforest Day was celebrated. 27/6/24, Agaram Foundation conducted various programs on the eve of independence. Around 300 students participated and won 4 silver coins, trophies, Best Students Award and Excellent Principal Award and Excellent Teacher Award for our faculty. 22/7/24, National Mango Day was celebrated in our junior section. 15/8/24, Independence Day was celebrated in our school in order to evoke patriotism among students. Various competitions were held on that day. Students of 1 to 5 actively participated and showcased their patriotic fervor. On 5/9/24, Teachers' Day was celebrated. On the eve of Gandhi Jayanti, Hindi handwriting competition was organized by Hindi Prachar Sabha. Around 100 of our students participated and bagged all the first, second, third prizes with shields and medals for winners and participation certificates for the participants. On 14/11/24, Children's Day was celebrated with a great enthusiasm. Students took part in various events and showcased their talents. On 3rd and 4th January of 25, our students, both Commerce Accountancy from 12, attended the state-level public model exam conducted by Innovative Commerce Teachers Forum Awareness Program. On 11/11/24, our 12 students participated in Career Guidance Program organized by Padmarajan Institute of Management and Sprout Knowledge Solutions Private Limited. Our junior school teachers participated seminar on 19/12/24 on the theme of significance of reading and storytelling at Mannar Thirumalai Naikar College. On 7/1/25, as students participated awareness program regarding the road safety measures conducted by our State Highways Department. On 8/1/25, National Youth Awareness Program was held at Ramakrishna Math in Madurai. Around 50 students of Standard 9 and staff members attended and gained awareness of teachings of Vivekananda. Recreation. The best education you will ever get is traveling. Nothing teaches you more than exploring the world and accumulating experience. The school arranged many field trips for our students in order to relax, recreate and rejuvenate. As a part of our curriculum, we had field trips for all the classes. Field trips were arranged to visit many historical monuments and archaeological sites in and around Sivaganga and Madurai district. 4/6/24, our children were taken to Keeladi and Aritapatti archaeological sites to acquire knowledge about the history of Tamil society and culture. Our school has arranged an array of ECA and CCA activities for the benefit of our students. Besides that, value education and moral instruction classes are also regularly conducted for non-Muslim students on every Friday. English and Tamil newspaper reading is mandatory for all the students, which enables them to enrich vocabulary as well as reading skill. On 3rd of January, our students of standard 6, 7, 8 and 9 participated in the Intra-School Dinamalar Pattam 2025 quiz competition and bagged certificates and medals. The finalist students appeared for the district level quiz competition and brought laurels for our school. Hostel facilities, as you all know that we have a well-established hostel with evergreen atmosphere in a natural setting for our students, provided with nutritious food, snack and drink. Pure mineral water, well-equipped dormitories, lovable residential tutors, 24/7 medical care facilities. Besides that, we have a spacious prayer hall where Jamaat prayer and Quran reading are conducted. Special attention for studies is given every day to the hostel students. Our aim is to be one of the leading schools in the community we serve. We are all known and widely acknowledged as a secular institution which develops an ethical leadership among students. We endeavour that our present school will be recognized as a model for excellence in academics, linear, arts and sports. Before I conclude the report, I humbly acknowledge the encouragement and positive energy that is offered by everyone. I take this opportunity to thank our secretary, our respected correspondent madam, our joint correspondent madam for their constant and unstinting support for always. I also extend my gratitude to our AO sir, all the heads of the institution, teaching and non-teaching staff, campus office members, senators, electricians, students, parents and other members for their constant encouragement and support for taking our present school to greater heights. I sincerely thank Almighty for giving me yet another opportunity to present the annual sports report for this prestigious school. Thank you everyone. Wassalam.
Thank you, ma'am. Honoring others is a reflection of our own value.